Welcome to Joanna's Kitchen Adventures. My name's Joanna, it's my husband Paul. So we want to bring you some pumpkin muffins. This is a very simple, straightforward recipe that was shared to us last year by a friend, and we make it usually in the fall, but really we can make it any time of the year, and we really enjoy it. So I'm gonna let him have some. Here we go, Paul. Tell everybody how much you love it. Hi, Winston.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. It's moist. It's hard to talk with food in my mouth.
And pumpkin-y.
It's got very good flavors. They're well-rounded.
Oh, it's not too sweet.
No, I love that about these.
Yeah.
And the molasses with the brown sugar just really hones in this season. So let's get cooking. All right, so we've got our ingredients together. I've got some softened butter here. I'm gonna add our brown sugar. So we've got our sugar in, and we're going to cream this together. So then we're going to get the rest of our wet ingredients in here. A couple of eggs. Can of pumpkin. This is just regular pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Or if you want to do your own pureed pumpkin, that would be great too. And then we're going to get our sticky molasses in here. Darn, I was hoping I'd have enough from this jar. Okay. That's what the rubber spatula's for, right? Really messy. Smells real good. One of my favorite tools when it comes to sticky wet ingredients. And then we're going to get that mixed. We got that scraped down a little, make sure it gets combined. Should look like this. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients. All right, let's get this flour over here. some salt. Some nutmeg. Baking soda. And some cinnamon. And mix to combine. The dough should be nice and thick. So now that that's put together, I'm gonna scrape off our paddle. And we'll get these into our lined muffin cups. So we've got them ready here. We'll get our trusty scooper to help us out. Those are dished up and ready for the oven. So our pumpkin muffins have come out of the oven. They've been cooling on a cooling rack for about 30 minutes. They look and smell delicious. Well, thank you for joining me on another kitchen adventure. Let me know if you've tried these or done them in different ways. This is a fun way to have a lovely fall snack, and really any time of the year, pumpkin muffins. So I hope you make it, eat it, and enjoy. I'll see you next time.